Hello children, check out Standard 4 Literature Book Chapter 3. The Fifth Golden Ticket. Children, in my previous class, I gave you little bit introduction of this chapter. A young boy wins a tour through the most magnificent chocolate factory in the world, led by the world's most unusual candy maker. When Willy Wonka decides to let 5 children into his chocolate factory, he decides to release 5 golden tickets in 5 separate chocolate bars. Children, now open page number 29. Next we will see what happened. Read it aloud, said Grandpa Joy, climbing back into bed again at last. Mr. Bucket held the lovely golden ticket up close to his eyes. His hands were trembling slightly, and he seemed to be overcome by the whole business. He took several deep breaths. Then he cleared his throat and said, "All right, I will read it. Here we go. Greetings to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket, from Mr. Willy Wonka. I shake you warmly by the hand. Tremendous things are in store for you. Many wonderful surprises await you. For now, I do invite you to come to my factory and be my guest for one whole day. You and all others who are lucky enough to find my golden tickets. I, Willy Wonka, will conduct you around the factory myself, showing you everything that there is to see, and afterwards, when it is time to leave, you will be escorted home by a procession of large trucks. Escorted means accompany. These trucks, I can promise you, will be loaded with enough delicious eatables to last you and your entire household for many years. If at any time thereafter you should run out of supplies, you have only to come back to the factory and show this golden ticket, and I shall be happy to refill your cupboard with whatever you want. Refill, fill again. In this way, you will be able to keep yourself supplied with tasty morsels, means mouthful, for the rest of your life. But this is by no means the most exciting thing that will happen on the day of your visit. I am preparing other surprises that are even more marvelous and more fantastic for you and for all my beloved. Marvelous, amazing. Turn the page. Golden ticket holders, just wait and see. And now, here are your instructions. The day I have chosen for the visit is the first day in the month of February. On this day and on no other, you must come to the factory gates at 10 o'clock sharp in the morning. Don't be late, and you are allowed to bring with you either 1 or 2 members of your own family to look after you and to ensure that you don't get into mischief. Ensure, protect, and mischief, misbehavior. One more thing, be certain to have this ticket with you, otherwise you will not be admitted. Then signed, Willy Wonka. The first day of February, cried Mrs. Bucket, but that's tomorrow. Today is the last day of January. I know it is. You are just in time, shouted Grandpa Joy. There's not a moment to lose. You must start making preparations at once. Wash your face, comb your hair, scrub your hands, brush your teeth, blow your nose, cut your nails, polish your shoes, iron your shirt, and for heaven's sake, get all that mud off your pants. You must get ready, my boy. You must get ready for the biggest day of your life. Now don't overexcite yourself, Grandpa, Mrs. Bucket said, and don't fluster poor Charlie. Fluster means unsettle. We must all try to keep very calm. Now, the first thing to decide is this: who is going to go with Charlie to the factory? I will, shouted Grandpa Joy, leaping out of the bed once again. I will take him. I will look after him. I will look after him. You leave it to me. Mrs. Bucket smiled at the old man. Then she turned to her husband and said, How about you, dear? Don't you think you ought to? Ought used to indicate duty or correctness. Mr. Bucket said gently, Mind you, I had loved to go. It will be tremendously exciting. But on the other hand, I believe that the person who really deserves to go most of all is Grandpa Joy himself. Provided of course, that he feels well enough. Yippee means expressing wild excitement or delight, shouted Grandpa Joy, seizing Charlie by the hands and dancing round the room. Seizing means a length or cord or rope used for fastening or tying. He certainly seems well enough, Mrs. Bucket said, laughing. Yes, perhaps Grandpa Joy should be the one to go with him. I certainly can't go myself and leave the other three old people all alone in bed for a whole day. At that point, there came a loud knock on the front door. Mr. Bucket went to open it, and the next moment, swarms of newspapermen and photographers were pouring into the house. Swarms, a large or dense group of flying insects. Pouring means stream, tracked means path. They had tracked down the finder of the fifth golden ticket, and now they all wanted to get the full story for the front page of their morning papers. It must have been nearly midnight before Mr. Bucket was able to get rid of them so that Charlie could go to bed. children. Here is some word meanings. You write in the copy, in the literature copy, and learn it. Thank you.